Hey Diva Dolls, this is Crystal Chanel and I am back with another try on video. Now today I am partnering with CocoMe and it's a new brand for my channel. Really cute, really affordable items, and I decided to come and share it with you dolls. So if you want to see what it is that I picked up, stay tuned. Okay, so we are going to get started with this particular dress. It is easy and breezy, and I wanted to try a different silhouette because y'all know I love a good bodycon dress, honey, like squeezing all over me. But this one in particular is loose and flowy. I love the detail that it has where there's ruffles along the bottom and along your arms. It's an actual wrap dress, so there is a little hole on the inside for you to actually wrap this dress completely around you. I think you can wear it during the summer and spring, obviously, but even with a pair of black tights if you wanted to take it into your fall and just add on a layer. Really girly and flirty, and I absolutely adore it. Now, I went ahead and just tucked it up under to kind of make it a shirt. I don't know if y'all do that, but I definitely make the best of my wardrobe, so I will definitely play around with different items. So I'm wearing it with these jeans. These jeans are skinny jeans. They are really cute. I love how they make your booty look because they have those pockets that are curved, so they help your booty. But as you can see, I think they're a little bit big. I could have sized down, so be mindful of that when you are shopping this site. It is all plus size. So they are, again, a company from China, and they have sizes 14 to size 26, and I am really feeling this particular skirt because it's stretchy. Now these are actual buttons that can unfasten and you'll button them completely up, but it's a stretchy material and it's pleated, so it fits you quite well. So yes, I would definitely say that denim is in, and if you haven't tried a denim skirt, this one will not let you down because it's stretchy, it's comfortable, and it's really cute. Now last but not least, I had to try out their swimwear. We know it's the summertime, it's a hot girl summer, we gotta have a city girl summer, and you gotta slay in your bathing suit. So this particular bathing suit is really stretchy. The fabric is nice and thick. It is not see-through, it's not thin. I think if it gets wet, it will pretty much be really good. I do love the print. Leopard and snake print is my favorite. So really stretchy, and it's a high waist and high cut bathing suit, so I'll put the sizing for it down below in the box. Okay Diva Dolls, so that is it. Again, this company is based out of China. They do plus sizes from like size 14 to size 26, so definitely a lot of options out there for you dolls. Just because you're curvy, you're fluffy, you're plus size doesn't mean you have to dress boring. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Be sure to share this video with a friend, and of course I will put everything that I picked up down below in the description box, as well as my sizes and a coupon code. If you've ever heard of CocoMe, or if you tried their products before, leave a comment down below as well. Let the Diva Dolls know what you think about it. But so far, I would say it's cute, it's affordable, everything came pretty fast, and I would recommend it. Now, if you don't follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat, be sure that you do that. And my name is @ChrissieTheDoll. Also, if you don't subscribe to this channel, be sure that you do that, as well as my fitness and my vlog channel, because your girl is on her way to 100K. I'm gonna say thank you so much for your love and support, and as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.